Hi, everyone. If you, just like me, were looking for a free way to add subtitles to your video, you're in the right place. Welcome to our tutorial on how to effortlessly add subtitles to your videos using a free AI subtitle generator. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or just looking to make your videos more accessible, this guide is for you. First, let's navigate to the website of a reliable AI subtitle generator. There are several great options available, but for this tutorial, we'll use clipchamp.com, a user-friendly platform with powerful features. Once you're on the site, look for the Create a New Video button in the center. Now select your video file and let it upload to the platform. Wait a little bit. Now we need to tap on the Captions button in the top right corner as I'm showing. Now tap on a green button, turn on Auto Captions, and choose your language. The AI needs to know the language spoken in the video to generate accurate subtitles. Make sure to select the correct one from the drop-down menu. Now, we need to wait for some time while the AI is working its magic, transcribing and syncing subtitles to your video. Let's review and edit. No AI is perfect, and there might be a few errors or tweaks needed. Use the platform's editor to make any necessary adjustments to the subtitles for accuracy. But actually, I checked and did not find any mistakes. Once you're happy with the subtitles, it's time to download your video. There's an export button in the right top corner. Click it. Now you need to choose video quality. Unfortunately, you can't save 4K for free. That makes sense, actually. Now we need to wait about 5 minutes, what depends on your video duration. In the opened window, there is a Save to Your Computer button right in the center. Tap on it, and there you have it. Your video is now ready to reach a broader audience with clear, accurate subtitles. Adding subtitles not only makes your content more accessible, but can also improve engagement and viewer retention. With AI subtitle generators, this process is easier than ever. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials and tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Happy content creating!